3 times a year, the Papillion-La Vista Community Schools hosts a business advisory council where we have both elected officials and business leaders. One of the topics that was recently raised by this committee was concerns about attendance. One of the things that we have found out since the pandemic in particular is females, because they sometimes lack the resources at home to support them during their cycle, because of embarrassment, they miss school. It is our job as educators to clear away obstacles and boundaries to learning. This is one of those obstacles, and we want to be part of the solution.
I reached out to several nonprofits, the Sarpy Chamber of Commerce, the Papillion Community Foundation, and the La Vista Community Foundation. And we all did research, and then through that research we met Kristen Lowry with Access Period, who does this across our entire state already. We began fundraising specifically for Sarpy County.
One of our focuses is always attendance and making sure that we're supporting families and students being at school and engaged in school. So for us, the Sarpy County Period Project and the collaboration with Access Period is huge, because it's one source of support that we can use to decrease that barrier of not being able to come to school because they don't have the adequate supplies that they need. Making sure that kids can be in school and making sure they feel comfortable when they're here so they can be engaged in learning and sports and activities. Knowing that kids are engaged in their school day is huge when we look at supporting the whole child and making sure that their mental health is also supported.
Females can go to school with confidence and continue their learning.
It's our community, and in order to have a better future, we have to take the current obstacles out of the way.
Our school district, Papillion-La Vista Community Schools, has such strong partnerships with our community that make sure that we have strong collaborations and strong relationships for the best interest of all of our students.